am trying out the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions little mini palette. She's got a whole bunch of palettes in all of these colors like copper, amethyst, sapphire, emerald, and I grabbed the sapphire and the amethyst. So today I tried out the amethyst, and this is the look that I achieved with it. So if you want to know how I got this look, just keep watching. Hey guys, I know I look a little crazy right now, but I am super excited to try my Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions. Here is what she looks like. 9 beautiful little colors, and this palette is $27 at Sephora. I think it's $27 everywhere, but I got that one, and I got, where are you? The Sapphire Obsession. So today I'm gonna be working specifically with the amethyst, although I love the sapphire, and tomorrow I'm gonna do the sapphire. And anyway, so my eyes look a little crazy because I decided to try to go back to my NYX eyeshadow primer because I wanted that white base to really make the colors pop, but I forgot how sticky it was. And so then when I tried to go over it with a little bit of translucent powder to set it, it started like breaking up a little bit. And now I feel like all the way around my eyes is the raccoon of like powder and creams that shouldn't be there. But I'm gonna go ahead and go on with my eyes anyways and see what I can do to fix it after the fact, because I seem to always be able to fix it somehow. So as of right now, that is why I look a little crazy. I have been primed and ready to go. So first off, I'm gonna dip into this lightish, this is a light purple, mauve-y kind of, right here with my Morphe M441. And I'm gonna go right in the crease and start giving my crease some color. I just want to continue to build this up until I get it to my desired level of darkness. All right, now I'm gonna kick it up a notch and go one shade darker. More to the outer corner. I'm gonna go back with the lighter shade. I'm gonna go up a little bit higher on my brow bone. And just do some light swirly motion to kind of have that fade out. Now that there's no harsh lines and it just fades out, this side is still a little bit of a harsh line, so I'm going to keep on blending. All right, let's go in with the darker purple again. And now I want to take a packing brush and pack that deep purple on the outer corner. So let me find, I like this one, my Morphe M321. And I'm just gonna get all up in there where the bone is and pack that outer corner. Kind of want to make a V going out and in. Too high up, I just erase it by taking a big fat blending brush and blending it all out. And so let me grab my Tarte Shape Tape and a concealer brush. And we are just gonna paint the lid to where we're going to apply glitter and make it ever so vibrant. I'm gonna coat both sides of my flat brush here, and this is actually an e.l.f. concealer brush. And I'm gonna very, very carefully stamp where I want to put the new color. Now I'm just going to use my finger and kind of press and blend the edges. Now to brighten up my eye, I'm going to use the lightest color on the inner corner. And I'm going to start by just using my pinky to see how it lays. This one. Okay, so now I'm thinking it's really coming together and looking really pretty. Took a little work to get those shimmers on there though. I don't know why it took so much work considering I cut the crease and had a blank canvas to work on. Let me try a little bit flatter brush because I really feel like that lightest color needs to pop a little bit more in my inner corner. Let's try this little baby here, my Morphe 213, and I'm going to wet it. And dig in. Yes. A little darker. And travel across the lid with my purple ombre effect. Okay, let's go back into the mattes and bring back my crease shade. Gonna work that first soft purple right on top of the bone. For liner today, I'm going to be using my Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner Crayon Gel in the color Rich Amethyst, which goes with my amethyst eyes. Sticking with the purple theme, I do have this liquid eyeliner from Wet n Wild that is in the color Electric Purple. However, I'm not a huge fan of it. It doesn't really show up that well. So I'm going to use it just to show you what it looks like, and then obviously I can go back over it with black, which will be easy to do because this liner, I don't know, isn't the highest of intensity. It feels like watercolor, like it looks like it's gonna go on good, but then as soon as you start tracing, it just drags it like you're finger painting, and the color goes with it. So once that dries down, you're not even gonna be able to see it because I've done a couple of purple wings with this. And by the end of the day, I feel like I just wasted my time in attempting it because nobody could see it at all. So I'm sorry, Wet n Wild, this liquid liner did not do it for me. I have another one in blue too that I picked up to go with my other Huda palette, the sapphire one. So when I review that, we'll try that out too, but that's it. For mascara, I have been using this Soap & Glory brand Thick and Fast High Definition Collagen Coat Mascara. I had never used Soap & Glory before, but I've been seeing it at Walgreens, and it's kind of high dollar for drugstore. Like it's between $10 and $13, I think, for a mascara, depending on which one you get. I think they've got like 3 of them. But they had a sale going on, buy 2 cosmetics, get the 3rd free. So I tried 3 Soap & Glory products, this mascara being one of them, and I'm really liking it. So I really like it, the way it looks on my bottom lashes, which is my biggest struggle because I have a hard time finding my bottom lashes. Okay, lashes are on. This is a very difficult pair to work with because they do not like to fit to the shape of your eyeball. Well, this one does not fit to the shape of my eyeball, I should say, and that inner corner wants to keep popping right off. But I've got it to stay for the time being, so let's hurry on up and move on to the lower lash line. Okay, so I'm going to take this nice little flat brush that I got at TJ Maxx, and I am going to go in with the deepest, darkest purple and coat that and start dusting right underneath. I'm going to go in with my pointy blending brush. I'm going to go in with a little bit lighter color purple right here. blend those colors together. And now I'm going to go into the light shimmer. Darken my brows and finish my lower lash mascara off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I just, as usual, looked up and realized that I am late once again. So this is the final look. I hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't already, go check out Huda Beauty's little mini palettes. They're $27 a piece. They've got some in every color. I will be showing you the sapphire soon, but until then, this is a wrap. See you guys next time. Bye. Thanks everybody for checking out my channel and watching this tutorial. I hope you really like this Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions review and first look and get ready with me. And yeah, we'll see you on the flip side with the Sapphire Obsession. So if you like me, you like my channel, go ahead and hit subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to tap that little notification bell so you don't miss any new videos from me. Bye.